Are you tired of setting goals and not achieving them? In this video, I'll show you how to set SMART goals to help you actually achieve your goals. Let's get into it. Welcome back. Thank you for joining. My name is Brandi, and I'm here to talk about parenting, entrepreneurship, time management, and all of the things in between. So, what are SMART goals? SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. They help you clarify and identify steps needed to achieve those goals and help you track your progress over time. By using SMART goals, you can ensure that you are working towards your goal since they are well-defined and achievable. So let's break down SMART goals. Let's start out with specific. A specific goal is clear and well-defined. It's not, I want to lose weight. It's maybe, I want to lose 5 pounds in the next 2 months. Or maybe it's, I want to reach 100 new followers in the next 3 months. Or maybe I want to get my website up and running in the next month. You also want to make sure that your goals are measurable. As long as they're measurable, you have a way to track your progress. Say, in the example of I want to lose 5 pounds, so maybe that's just over a pound a week in the next month, or maybe it's half a pound a week in the next 2 months. Or in the subscriber count, maybe it's you want to hit 100 new subscribers in the next 3 months. You'll want to break that down. Maybe how many do you want each month? How many do you want each week? And so forth. You also want to make sure that they are realistic. You don't want to, shoot for the stars at the start, all right? We want to set realistic, achievable goals. If you set goals that aren't achievable or realistic, you're gonna lead yourself to disappointment. Say your goal is to lose 20 pounds in a month. I don't see that as being realistic. Maybe there are some people out there who has done that, but if you look back on your track record, have you lost that amount of weight in that amount of time? Or have you gained, 25 subscribers in a week? Or have you gained 100 in a week? You want to make sure that you are setting realistic and achievable goals. For realistic and achievable for, say, healthy eating, you don't want to jump all in. You're going to fall off the bandwagon. Say you replace one meal. Say you eat a healthy breakfast or a healthy lunch or a healthy dinner, and your other 2 meals are your normal meals that you eat every other day. Start with that and then progress from there. If you are hitting your goals, make your end goal maybe just a little bit bigger, or maybe bring that goal up by a week or 2 or 3 or a month. Goals are not set in stone. They can be moved around, they can be expanded on, they can be brought in. They are not set in stone, and you want to set yourself up for success. You also want to make sure that they are time-bound. You want to give yourself an end date. You don't want to say, I want to lose weight and not set a date, or I want to hit this many subscribers and not set a date. You want to make sure that your goal has a time limit. It's got an end date. In creating a deadline, you set a set of urgency to get this done. And it ensures that you are pushing yourself towards the progress to get to that end goal. Like, how soon do you want to achieve this goal? Is it a month? Is it 2 months? 3 months? 6 months? Next year? When do you want to achieve your goal by? And I know this isn't part of the SMART goal, but know your why. Why are you setting this goal? Also, you want to make sure that you are staying consistent, whether it's social media, whether it's weight loss, whether it's gym time. You want to make sure you are consistent with it. And don't put so much pressure on yourself that you can't mess up from time to time. Sometimes we hit bumps in the road. Sometimes life happens where we need to move and adjust. And your goals can be the same way. They're not set in stone. Say you want to go to the gym 3 times a week, but the day that you planned on going to the gym, something happens and you can't make it. So make it another day of the week. It's okay to move stuff around to be able to have progress on your goals. I'm learning as I'm going, so sometimes I have to push myself to try and stay up just a little bit late, or trying to do stuff on my lunch hour, trying to fit stuff in for my goals wherever and whenever I can. Setting SMART goals is a powerful tool for achieving success in any area of your life, whether it's personal, business, health, whichever. By following the SMART goals framework, it can help you clarify your objectives and steps to help you achieve those goals, and also track them over, a year. What goals do you have for the rest of the year? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful in any way. Thanks for watching. Bye.